Mu rukiko rucishangirwe ngo groupe z'emyoge zikiremere kushashura municipality no mu district ya Kasese harumwe z'abategi b'ebyenyanja eminyeto n'abeshongozi.
That this program is entirely a presidential initiative that is trying to elevate them out of poverty. They should embrace it.
Nka TV West tutayayireho umwaro gwa kahendero ahitugerezeho kurunda groupe z'abashohi abatungire sente konka tubarebukere. Peter Busingo chairman wo mwaro wo mukogambaho na TV West Ageihangwe mbere y'abashohi barukuraba mu bwirobo niye kubaremesa kushashura.
Banza turi umuhanda gwa sente gwonka kusoha ninga so kujya. Nugo muhanda gwonka gutwira gwentahya ya maka g'abantu. So muhanda gumu na gwabonera guta. Nkoko standard yensoha eri. Umuntu aso kutunga sente zo kororereka zikasomesa abana kana umuntu akongera akasevinga kigumire.
Adoni yabazarwo rukurre kitongore cha microfinance support center mu kuganiraho na TV West Ageihangwe kwihaba ko atababire baremirwe kushashura ngo abantu bariyo bakora ubucweki ihembe okugira ngo bagira akasenta kubabikaho.
Arrest of some people in Kasese who have been holding the money for long. There have been a great success in payments so far.
Tubashabango batakagira umutima kugira ngo se tuziheyo ozikozese otazigarura bukuba ziri zabusha.
Trying to change their mindset. That we thought that money was a handshake from the president during the election, it is not. So the supervisors from State House came just wanted to see and to remind them that they are supposed to pay. That's why we started with the leaders.
Gasha kwa Gerbato Muhanguzi.